Hi, I am Dr. Kiran Chotaliya and welcome to Hairfree Hairgrow Clinic Pune. Proud part of trusted network of 14 branches across India, dedicated to helping people regaining their hair and their confidence as well. At our Pune clinic, we have created a space where every patient feels comfortable, heard, and cared for. From your first consultation to hair transplant and also during post-treatment follow-up, we guide you each and every step with thorough and proper detail. We offer advanced and proven technologies like advanced FUE like BIG-FUE, Implant FUE, DHT method and PRP treatments and many more, which are tailored to your hair types and level of hair loss. Every treatment begins with a detailed hair and scalp examination, your medical history, we go through trichoscopy and we perfectly plan or tailor-made plan for your hair concerns. Our clinic is well equipped with medical infrastructure and follow strict hygiene protocols. Your safety is our topmost priority. Our three goals are there. First is safety, second is naturality, and third is density. We have helped thousands of clients get their hair back and more importantly their self-confidence back. Just look at the transformations, these real people and the real results. If you are experiencing hair fall or thinning or any hair issues, don't wait too much until you have a lot of issues and you need a lot of treatments. The sooner we start, you get better the results. Book a consultation today. Let's talk. Let's understand your basic concerns and root cause of your hair problems and work towards giving you a natural looking long-term permanent result. Hairfree Hairgrow Clinic Pune, where expertise meets care and every treatment is personalized and tailor-made. I look forward to seeing you very soon.